Hey guys, what's happening? How to deposit funds on Kraken. So if you want to deposit cash, like as if you're paying with your bank account or Apple Pay, what you gotta do, just simply hit trade at the bottom right, press buy, and select your crypto, right? Let's say Bitcoin, and I want to buy, let's say not $5, let's say 20, right? Instead of USD balance, I'm gonna select Apple Pay, for example, right? And hit continue. Now you're buying $20 of Bitcoin. Basically, that's how you deposit a fund, okay? But if you're willing to deposit like individually, or deposit in a, you want to deposit crypto, let's say here, hit portfolio, right? Let's say I want to deposit Ethereum, hit Ethereum. Scroll a little bit down, under balance, you're gonna find deposit, just hit deposit. Inside, what you're gonna do is you're gonna select your network and then deposit on chain, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to your platform and withdraw an Ethereum using a network, right? Or using a chain, and you're gonna select Ethereum chain, and address will be generated, right? You're gonna go to your other wallet and paste the address and select the amount of Ethereum you want to withdraw onto Kraken. Basically, that's how you add funds individually. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.